Part 2 of shoveling this crap. It is pretty bad. Yep. Deep shit. Alright. That's going to be a nightmare. Right there. Bad. Bad. I'll be back. Alright. Been shoveling for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And it's got way deeper with the snowdrift. Yep. I think we're going to make couches on the front lawn and a little table and have a bonfire later in the snow. Plenty of snow to do so. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I'm going to keep shoveling my butt away because I have all of that to shovel out. Absolutely awesome. I love it. All right, I made it to the truck. Now I got to go back this way and get all this into that big pile for another snow fort I'm building for the boys. Stay tuned. All right, it's been about another probably half hour at least, and I dug out all this and I got some backup here. Anthony's helping me, and so far the igloo mound is probably 6 feet tall right now. So we do. Oh no! Psh, right down. All right, stay tuned. We're shoveling. Even more backup has arrived. Aiden is shoveling away. Watch out, Ant. All right, guys. And we have even more backup. Mama Ange in the house. All right, it's been a long while, and the big snow mound is gigantic. You can't really tell from the picture, but it's definitely over 6 feet tall. Oh, all right, I think that's probably going to be it for this video. I still have all this to dig, and I'm just going to take my time and have fun doing it. And then after I'm done, I'm probably going to sculpt something out of the snow, maybe. Like I said, either chairs and a table, or I don't know, maybe a giant 125. All right, have a good day. Stay warm and keep shoveling.